Hello guys! Welcome to Libra Philippines. So ito yung reading natin for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra. Sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, pahit na lang ng subscribe button, notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. So again, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra. And let's get your main energy. Tapos, yung sa side ng person mo. Bali, yung kanan yung side mo, ha? Sa kaliwa, sa side ng person mo. So, mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang, guys. And, kung gusto mong magpa-personal reading, si Jing Tarot Reader, friend ko yun, guys. Hindi ako yun. Siya yung open sa personal reading. Ako naman, kung gusto mong makapag-reading sa akin, sa ngayon, ang open ako is astrological reading. Yan, if you want to know more about your planets, your stars, yan, kamusta na ba? Feel free, mag-inquire ka na lang doon sa TikTok shop. Meron ako doon, bracelet na ma-avail ka, and then may kasama siyang astrological reading. Compatibility reading, pwede yan. Kung compatible ba kayo ng person mo, ano yung mga challenges sa inyo, etc. And you do have here the Two of Swords. Ito yung main energy mo, Nine of Pentacles, King of Swords, okay. Libra. Okay. I see that you are focusing on yourself. Meron kang bagay na pinapriority. Either it's something na may kinalaman sa new beginning with regards to your money, finances, career, or a rebirth. Kasi yung iba rebirth eh. Pag sinabi kong rebirth, maybe it happened or in the past, nagwo-work siya. No? Maybe a business in the past, tapos maybe you're thinking of ano kaya, ibalik ko kaya ito, etc. Ayan, so some sort of may kinalaman sa iyong professional life with the King of Swords. And the Eight of Pentacles is here, so pwedeng maybe you want to add spice dito sa bagay na ito. So kung ibabalik siya, gusto mong baguhin, ayusin. Ganyan. Or for some of you, maybe it has something to do with the career, na pwedeng ano kaya yung magandang i-add dito, ano kaya yung magandang bago, especially if you do have a business or you are in a professional, yung line mo is more on professional, maybe gusto mong samahan ng bago or something, you want growth, you're manifesting growth, you want to, create abundance, you want to, nandito yung aggressiveness mo na gawin kung ano yung dapat gawin in order for this thing to work, no? And you're focusing dito sa new beginnings mo. The Two of Swords, maybe may mga desisyon na pwedeng ina-acknowledge mo or iniisip mo rin kung ano magiging desisyon ng ibang tao. So, the way I see this, matalino ka. Ang nagpapabagal sa'yo para makagawa ng isang desisyon regarding sa paligid mo is regarding sa desisyon or sinasabi ng ibang tao. So, you have to watch out those signs. Alam mo yun kasi matalino ka emotionally, sa isip mo, at saka yung sa pakiramdam mo, spiritually, pwedeng matalino ka So, pag may isang bagay, alam mo kung ano ang dapat gawin doon, ano ang dapat planuhin at aksyon na dapat gawin doon, pero nakakapagpabagal sa'yo para makapagdesisyon ay kung ano ang sinasabi ng iba. Okay? So, let's move on to the side of the person that you are dealing with. Okay, Libra. Sino itong person nakakonect mo, Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Sino tong person nakakonect mo, Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. One last shuffle. Person nakakonect ni Libra. Okay, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Sino tong person nakakonect ni Libra? I really do love my angel guides right now, Spirit Guides, Wala lang, shinare ko lang. It's just that I can feel their presence. Mararamdaman mo rin yung presence ng angel guides or spirit guides mo if you would, try na i-notice yung mga signs nila sa'yo. Maaaring laging may nagpapakita sa'yo na something like maybe paru-paro, maliit, ganyan. Laging nakikita yon or moth, yan. Or maybe angel numbers. So, pwedeng papakita yan. It is how they communicate with you. The Moon, Judgment, Page of Swords, yan. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, dalawang major arcana. The Moon and the Judgment, Page of Swords. Oh, wow. Etong person na to, sa totoo lang, nagugulahan siya sa buhay niya ngayon eh. Parang walang saysay. Bakit ko pa to ginagawa? Bakit ko pa to ginagawa? Parang may mga ganun siya. And you're dealing with a person wherein pwedeng nagigising siya sa kung ano yung connection na meron sa inyo ngayon, na maaaring minsan siya naligaw. The moon is here, so might be you're dealing with a soulmate, you're dealing with someone na minsan nang nag-appear or lumabas sa panaginip mo. And itong taong to, hindi siya lumabas dahil wala lang. Okay? Maaaring lumabas siya dahil maybe this is your soulmate or dream man or dream woman na tinatawag natin, ano. The way I see this, pwedeng naliliwanagan na siya ngayon or nagigising na siya sa katotohanan kung anong meron sa inyong connection dito. And parang may mga parts sa kanya na pinagsisisihan niya kung ano man yung mga ginawa niya na pero nakikita natin na parang wala nang, pwedeng minsan nang naging dahilan kung bakit nag-ending yung sa inyo nito person nito. So maybe this is a person in the past and may mga nangyari or ginawa siya in the past na nag-cause ng ending sa inyong dalawa. But anyway, nagigising na siya ngayon sa katotohanan. Emotions, punta tayo sa emotions ninyong dalawa ng person nito. Emotion ninyong dalawa ng person nito. Nakakaramdam ako sa inyo ng actually, parang sobrang sakit na feeling sa heart mo, in your heart chakra, na I don't know, maybe minsan ka nang na-depress or nagkaroon ng anxiety. If you do have that right now, kasi yung nakikita ko is past na yon. Pero kung ngayon meron ka yan, alam mo yan, depression, anxiety, etc. You need to seek professional help, and also at the same time, bawasan mo yung stress mo. Kasi yung stress ng anxiety, you know. And also that is your body telling you, or maybe that is also a sign, no? Na halimbawa, bibigyan kita ng example. Halimbawa, nasa isang work ka, nasa isang career ka, and then there's another career na naghihintay sa'yo. Maybe there's another career na maybe ongoing or iniaalok sa'yo, ino-offer sa'yo, and might be nai-stress ka sa bagay na yan ngayon. Maybe you need to let go of that. Tanggalin mo yung kung ano yung nagpapa-stress sa'yo na career, and maybe sign na yan to accept this new offer or career para sa'yo. Kumbaga parang sarili mo na nagsasabi sa'yo na hindi ka para dyan. That is not your purpose. That is not, or maybe your spirit guides or your angel guides are trying to tell you na hindi ka para dyan, may ibang plano para sa'yo or may ibang purpose para sa'yo, wag mong ituloy yan, parang gano'n. So, nagkakos ng anxiety and depression sa yan. So, if this is a person na nagpapa-connect or nagbibigay sa'yo ng anxiety, ng depression, etc., maybe this is not the right person for you. So, ito na yung parang hint sa'yo na wag ka na dyan, diba? So, anyway, hindi yun kasama sa reading, in-add ko lang siya. The Ace of Pentacles, the Six of Wands, and the Emperor. Well, for what I can see here, you're trying to focus on yourself, your life. Diba? Tinatry mong, yung iba sa inyo, you might be learning something new. Maybe you're learning something na may kinalaman sa spiritual stuff. No? Maybe you are trying to transform yourself. Yung iba pwedeng pwedeng may kinalaman sa loan, properties, pwedeng is mga occult science, pwedeng din astrology, tarot reading, so pwedeng may mga inaalam-alam ka mga bagay na may kinalaman doon. And the Six of Wands, you're trying to balance yourself, you're trying to, ibigay lahat ng pagmamahal and action ngayon sa sarili mo. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may mga pagpapalit, pag-aayos, pagpapaganda ng tahanan ng bahay ngayon. Ace of Pentacles, sabi ko nga, pwede nakafocus ka ngayon sa new beginnings. And maybe, with regards to this person, hindi mo man nararamdaman, pero maaaring, especially if you're dealing with a soulmate, pwedeng nire-ready mo yung sarili mo sa kanya. Okay? Nire-ready mo yung kung ano yung meron ka na pwede kang mai-offer sa taong ito, or just in case babalik siya, at least okay ka, maayos ka. I don't know, maybe may mga kinalaman doon sa stuff na yun. King of Cups, this is you loving yourself, and pwedeng hindi ka masyado nagfo-focus dito sa person na ito. No? Basta alam mo lang na nandyan siya. So, kung may spiritual connection ka, alam mo na nandyan lang siya. The Justice is here. So, yeah, this is you, Libra. You're trying to balance spiritual connection and reality. Pwede nga, tinatry mong i-balance. So, ngayon nakafocus ka sa realidad. So, how about this person? Ano namang emotion niya para sa'yo? For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. I see that also sa energy mo, you're very mature. You're very mature. Pwedeng by age, talagang nag-matured ka na. Diba? Parang nakalimutan or kinalimutan mo na talaga kung ano ka nung teenager years mo, etc. So, pwedeng ganon. Talagang mature ka na by age. And also, may nakikita ko ditong person na someone na parang maybe you do have white hair. So, or maybe or nagsisimula na. Nagsisimula na ang pagtubo ng mga puting buhok. Pero okay lang kahit hindi, guys, ha? Okay lang kahit hindi. Anyway, how about the person you're dealing with? Emotion niya para sa'yo is the Magician. Okay. Ito yung Magician na nagpakita sa akin, pero iba yung nasa visualizations ko ngayon. So, I will read the one na nasa visualizations ko. The Two of Pentacles and the Six of Swords is here. Let me show you guys kung ano yung nabivisualize ko ngayon, kasi actually it's Magician pero sa ibang deck iba yung itsura ng Magician na yon. And I will try to get it kasi para mas makita mo kung ano yung emotion ng person mo, dahil we're talking about emotions here. Ayan, nakita ko na siya. So, syempre, ang ifa-follow ko is kung ano nasa intuition ko or ano ang aking nasa visualizations. You do have here the Magician. This is the Magician na that is showing to me. And hindi ito. Iba ito eh. Iba kasi ang meaning nitong, depende sa cards yan. Yung picture ng card ko, ano yung meaning niya. Yan. So, nakikita natin dito with the Magician, this person is quite obsessed with you. No? Na-obsess siya. The more na tinatry niyang mag-move on, the more na na-obsess siya. The Two of Pentacles, marami siyang priority eh. Kung bakit, alam mo yon, kung bakit kailangan hindi siya maging open sa'yo, kung bakit kailangan hindi niya sabihin ang totoo, kung bakit kailangan isikreto niya lang kung ano man itong emotion na to. I feel like either dahil mataas ang ego niya, ayaw niyang magmukhang mahina, ayaw niyang ipakita na nasasaktan siya, nalulungkot siya, ayaw niyang ipakita na mahalaga. You're special, of course, but not in a way na parang ikaw na yung nagiging, kumbaga ikaw talaga yung importante. Diba? Para sa kanya. Pero parang hindi niya pinapakita yan. And with the Magician, this person is really, really obsessed with you right now. Okay, na-obsess siya. Now, so yung iba sa inyo, that's why maybe you are feeling a lot of burning in your heart chakra. Kung bakit ka nakakaramdam ng parang mainit or parang nasasaktan yung puso mo. But some of you, you would know na hindi ikaw yon, hindi mo feelings yon, or hindi mo emotions yon, but rather na-channel mo lang kung ano yung emotions na nararamdaman ng person na ito. Okay, so yeah, this person is obsessed with you. Lagi kanyang iniisip, the more na nagre-resist or the more na pinipigilan niya, the more na mahirap para sa kanya. It's just like it's pulling a magnet. I don't know if this is a twin flame connection. Wala pa naman nagpapakita sa akin na sign. But some of you, it is. Okay? Some of you, it is a twin flame connection. Kasi ang twin flame connection, parang may magnetic pull yan. Parang magnet. the more na i-resist mo, the more na pipigilan mo, halimbawa yung magnet, hinila mo, nakadikit, ano? Pag hinila mo, the more na hinihila mo, the more na mahirap, di ba? Paghiwalayin. No, now, ang pinakamadali na lang is to surrender. Ngayon, ang ginagawa nito person na to is, hinihila niya yung sarili niya, alam mo yon, na ang tendency is na magnet naman talaga siya sa'yo. Especially, there's an infinity sign dito sa Two of Pentacles. This is actually a sign. The infinity sign could be an energy of twin flame connection. Yan. Ayan, nagpakita na yung sign. So, yeah, for some of you, this is a twin flame connection. So, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? Anong mangyayari in the future? In the near future for you, Queen of Swords, Queen of Cups. Gusto ko yung energy mo, you're very mature and ikaw ang nasa in control dito sa connection nito. Eight of Swords is here. What's with the Eight of Swords? Clarify the Eight of Swords. The Eight of Swords is clarified by the Temperance. Okay. Clarify the Queen of Swords and the Queen of Cups. Clarify the Queen of Swords and the Queen of Cups. Queen of Swords and Queen of Cups is clarified by the Star and the Seven of Wands. And then sa person mo, ano yung future or yung energy para sa kanyang side naman. Hindi ko to kukunin guys, masyadong marami. I will just get this one na nag-appear or nagpakita siya. The Four of Pentacles, the King of Pentacles, Three of Swords, and the Lovers. Okay, clarify the Lovers and the Three of Swords. The Knight of Pentacles and the World. And yeah, this is ano tawag dito, spiritual connection. Last card for you. For the sign of Libra, Sun, Mars, Rising, Venus, Jupiter. Libra, you do have your Seven of Pentacles. Like what I've told you, mahalaga ka, diba? Importante ka para sa kanya. And at the bottom of the deck, there's this Ten of Cups. Okay. Nakita ko ng pregnant woman. So, for some of you, there's pregnancy in the near future for you or currently. Buntis ka na or in the future, there's pregnancy for you. And the Temperance is here. Eight of Swords. I feel like you're just in the future patiently waiting for something na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Like hindi ka you know, hindi ko nakikita na nagra-run ka sa connection or kung anong ibibigay sa'yo ng universe, and you're just openly accepting this. Tapos with the Seven of Wands, nakakita tayo ng pag-increase dito ng mga knowledge or whatever you want in your life, mga lessons, skills, yan, pagde-develop, na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo pagdating sa iyong professional life. Ayan. And I can see, wow. I feel like magiging mas maganda yung situation mo. I can see fishes here. So, you know, fish is a symbol of abundance. Kahit sa feng shui, yung mga koi fish, goldfish, those are symbol of abundance. So, may nakikita tayong blessings para sa'yo. I can see na mas magiging instant na pag-increase ng finances this is very favorable for you. Okay, lalo na kung ikaw itong na may mga dinedeclutter, inaalis ka sa buhay mo, tinatanggal, either this is a person or mga gamit, pagtatapon, etc. Ginagawa mo yon and nakikita natin na katulad nga sa feng shui, katulad nga sa sa feng shui, para ma-welcome mo yung positivity or yung mga bago, kailangan mo mag-declutter. Kailangan mo tanggalin yung mga negativity sa buhay mo. And para mai-open mo ang sarili mo sa new opportunities, new blessings. So that is what you are doing in the future. Pwedeng nandun yung pagde-declutter, or ngayon pa lang, nandun na yung pagde-declutter, pagtanggal ng mga hindi importante, mga hindi okay. And then, soon enough, may mga bigla ang dadating sa'yo after mong mawala or matanggal. Yung iba, nasa during pa lang yung process eh. Kahit habang naglilinis ka or tinatanggal mo itong mga bagay na ito sa buhay mo, may biglang dadating sa'yo. And I feel like you're ready. Makikita natin. Dadating tong bagay na ito, tao na ito sa buhay mo, pero ready ka. Okay? The person here, I don't feel na itong person na ito ay magre-resist pa in the future. Hindi niya na mapipigilan, mahirap na pigilan. Tsaka isa pa, no, itong person na to, ramdam naman, lalo na sa may mga spiritual connection dyan, naramdam naman niya yung connection ninyo. By the way, habang nagre-reading ako, may nagpakita na naman sa akin, it's a black horse. Black horse. Weird kasi siya, black horse siya na may parang, could be a unicorn kasi meron siyang parang, unicorn sa ulo. This could be you, or pwede makarelate ka doon. Maybe you're wearing something na may kinalaman sa black horse or something. But anyway, paparating tong taong to. He will be coming back. He or she, babae man or lalaki, but I can feel the energy of divine masculine. So, paparating siya sa buhay mo. And nag-iipon, or in the future, may sapat siyang ipon to do this. And kung ano man yung mga bagay na nagpipigil sa kanya para makaalis sa situation, nakakita tayo ng rason para makaalis siya doon sa situation na yun. Whether it's something na, I can see partnership sa inyong dalawa nitong taong to in the future. May i-offer siya sa'yo. And I don't feel like pipigilan mo or aayawan mo or hihindian mo ito because, mag-grow to eh. Whatever this offer is, may pera. And I know you. Kahit ganyan ka, you love money. Diba? And sino ba namang ayaw? Pero, yeah. So, may offer ng pera or may offer itong taong ito sa'yo. Nakakita tayo dito ng at peace na energy in the future. Additional na tao sa buhay mo ang dadating. And, yeah, I can see possible pregnancy for some of you. Nakakatakot actually. I'm feeling the energy of nakakatakot. Pero hindi sa side mo, sa side niya. Nakakatakot ang gagawin kong ito. Parang ganun. But I will still do this. Yun ang energy niya. Gagawa siya ng action na nakakatakot para sa kanya. Pero gagawin niya pa rin kasi gusto niya nang magkaroon ng pagbabago. Kaya kung ano man yung mga noon pinaplano niya regarding sa inyo, maaaring aksyonan niya na ito. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.